Hello everyone, welcome to my Mobile Molla review, and in this Mobile Molla review I will discuss everything about what is this Mobile Molla app, how it works, and most importantly how you can make money using this Mobile Molla app. So Mobile Molla is going to launch on 9th November at 11 am EST time on Warrior Plus network by Venkat Ramana, who is very famous vendor and very famous for launching lots of high quality software and apps. So these are my covering points of this Mobile Molla review. I will explain what is Mobile Molla app or software, how you can make money using this, and I will also show how you can make $7,000 per month residual profits using this Mobile Molla. This is a very special tactic. You will know how you can make $7,000 per month with Mobile Molla. This is the special tactic I will show you, and I will also show you the Mobile Molla live demo and the members area and the live demo of the software, how it works actually. And I will also discuss about the features and benefits of Mobile Molla and the autos or upgrades of Mobile Molla. Here I will show you, and I will give you the best upgrade suggestion. Okay, I will give you best auto suggestion here in this Mobile Molla review, and I will also give you a full step-by-step direction on how you can make $100 in the next 24 hours. Yes, it's true, you can make $100 plus in the next 24 hours using this Mobile Molla. Please watch this review till the end. I will show you everything how you can do this. So, and you will also get $4 off discount coupon. I will show you how you can get this $4 off discount and my exclusive bonus bundle to accelerate the results of Mobile Molla. These are my exclusive bonuses. I will covering everything. So what is actually Mobile Molla? So Mobile Molla actually an app or software, or you can call it a web application, cloud based web application. See, that lets you profit. In shortly, this Mobile Molla app will let you profit from both phone and computer. Okay, and it doesn't matter you are using Android or Apple, it doesn't matter, you can make profits. Okay, so Mobile Molla is a web application compatible both Mac, PC and mobile, that makes it impossible to not see results. Yes, it's make impossible to not see result. So Mobile Molla does all the heavy work and for you and every step of the way, so you can do it, and literally anybody can do it. So whether you are a green grass newbie or an experienced marketer, it doesn't matter, who want to see results, it's for them, and it will work for you, whoever you, cause it is very easy, and it just one click. I will show you everything how you can do this with just very mobile or computer operating knowledge. You don't need very high tech knowledge or experienced. Okay, literally anyone can make money using this Mobile Molla. Okay, and see, Mobile Molla is paying its members to use their cell phone literally, or you can also make money from your computer or Mac, doesn't matter. And just imagine if there anything lazier or easier than using your phone, absolutely not. Cut, you basically don't need to do anything, any hard work of yourselves. Okay, and so this is the something that anyone can do, and all you need just a mobile phone or your Android phone or Apple, doesn't matter, or your PC or Mac, and the copy of this Mobile Molla members area and the software. This is only need you will need to make money using this Mobile Molla app. Okay, so let's go to the, I will discuss about how you can make $7,000 per month. A special tactic I will show you this. Just see the live demo before. how actually mobile molla works. So this is the training section. See, this is the training section. I highly encourage you to see this training before you try to work this software or app, because it will help you to make the best or proper use of this software. The first is demo. You must need to see there are 17 videos in the members area in the training section. See, just click next, the video 2, video 3, there are 17 video, and this video, see this over the shoulder premium training will show you how to make money with mobile mullah, the quick and the easy way, step by step. So you must see this training. Okay, then come to the profit finder section. See, this is the profit finder. This is actually a ClickBank clone copy. See, this is the ClickBank. This is the categories. This is actually from ClickBank. See, suppose I am selecting e-business and e-marketing, affiliate marketing section. Say these are the product, and this will give you the popularity rank, description, gravity. Gravity means how many affiliates make at least one sales using the product. So if the gravity is 50, that means 50 affiliate has already made at least one sale by promoting this product. Okay, the higher gravity, that means the higher popular of the product. Any product upper than 50 gravity is a great product. Okay, so you can select your product. There are things. Then the main and important thing is website builder. This app will create a website for your mobile or desktop friendly instantly. See, like the e-business, I have created a website previously. I will show you. So just paste your name, website name .mobilebulla.net, and click build website. See, the website will be created in just matter of minute. Just see, it will be created, and I will show you the everything. See, website has been built successfully. See, this is the website, and you can add your own custom domain as your wish, and you can configure here. See, but if you don't need, then no need. Now you can log in here, the WP admin. Sorry. Okay. Okay. I am entering into the WP admin dashboard. So will you, and you can literally create as many as websites here. See, I have created already one, and this is the latest one, and it will take you just 1 minute to create a website, and to log in you can log in into the WP admin dashboard. I am checking this work. Okay. Okay, now you must need to see, this is the affiliate website template. You need to download this template. See, this is the template. I have already downloaded this plugin. This is actually a plugin. I am pausing this. So now we need to go to the all-in-one WP migration, and here we will click on import section. See, and in the import section, import from file. See, file, then we will select our downloaded file. Okay, affiliate website template. See, this is going to upload. Just a just 20 or 30 seconds it will take to be imported, and this is very important because this will actually automate the full process. Okay, this will automatically post for you all the ClickBank products in just one click. See, I will show you. And you just need one time setup, then this will work for you automatically. And as I said, I will show you how you can make $7,000 per month, and you can also make $100 plus in the next 24 hours using this mobile mullah. Okay, see, finish. So now go to dashboard. Okay, see, Poster, Mobile Mullah Poster. This is the plugin you need to download from here. Just first click your domain name, then your website will be generated in 30 seconds. Then log in your WP admin dashboard, then download the affiliate website template, then import here. Okay, and you will see this Mobile Mullah Poster. This is very important because this plugin will post for you all the ClickBank affiliate products. See, just you need to select your ClickBank category. We already know that these are the categories actually. Just need to set the categories. See, I will, as I am setting my website as e-business, I will select e-business and e-marketing. Then you must need to put your ClickBank affiliate ID, because if you don't provide the ClickBank, not here, if you don't select category, or you can also provide the ClickBank product ID, and here you need to provide ClickBank affiliate ID, because by this way they will all the sales generated by this, and you will get paid on your account. See, my affiliate ID is this, so I will provide here BZ SRS. So all the posts and promotion will be under my affiliate ID. So all the sales will be made, I will got the commission, and this Poster will do all the posts for you. See, you can select this, I am leaving it blank, and create post. See, it will take 2 to 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes it will take for you. I can show you what the previous one. Let it's building. Okay, see, this is the site just created by one click, and I just need to provide traffic, and under all of this post all the links are my affiliate links. Okay, and this is obviously mobile friendly. This is actually a app. See, all the posts made just one click. I will show you when it's ready, you will also know. See, just one click, this website has been made in just one click. How funny. And when you send traffic to this, and all of the posts are included with your affiliate link, all the products, all the posts are included with your affiliate link. So just imagine when you will send traffic into this, and the traffic are very viral in mood. So how many affiliate sales can be made under your ClickBank account? See, this type of posts. See, so this is been generating. Let's give this software 3 to 5 minutes, it will generate. And this is the previous one, I am deleting this. So let's go to the next section. You will need traffic, okay? Because when you create this type of websites, you need obviously traffic. See, this is the traffic engine, social poster. Here you can import your Facebook accounts. You can post multimedia post like text post, link post, image post, or video post. Then you can also add call to action button post on Facebook here. Then you can video post add, then social traffic engine, you can text, and you can automation the comment section, comment template, reply template. You can automate your campaign. So there are lots of option. You can get viral traffic to your mobile molla websites, and you can create unlimited websites, and you can send unlimited traffic to your websites. So this is the basic overview of mobile molla, but there are also lots of features and option on how you can actually make $7,000 per month and $100 or more in the next 24 hours. I am showing you this how you can do this. And let's building this post, because it will post like 50 or 60 or more posts for you, so it will take some time, 4 or 5 minutes, doesn't matter. So let's go to the next section, the features and benefit. Just see the features. So everything you need to crash it is already included with mobile molla software. See, mobile molla 100% brand new system. You can operate mobile molla from any mobile phone as long as it connected to the internet, and that means both Android and iPhone, as I have said you. And mobile molla monetization, you can call this the secret sauce of mobile molla. It's what allows us to use our phones and get paid for it. Then mobile molla step by step training. See, this is the step by step of training. You will know everything about it. Then you will get free support for any problem. You can contact them. And the most importantly, make money or they will pay you $250. Okay, the creator will pay you $250 if you don't make money. If you fail, they will make you money. So this is actually risk free. See, so you can try this. And these are the autos of mobile molla. See, these are the upgrades. The first one is mobile molla 32. The first one is mobile molla unlimited. This is the auto one. The price is 67 or discount price is $37. And with this you can use mobile molla without limits. You can create unlimited campaigns and unlock unlimited capability on everything inside your account. And the upgrade 2 is mobile molla automation. The price is $47 and discount price is $37. And with this you can automate mobile molla and make more profits 24/7 on autopilot while you sleep or traveling or eating, it doesn't matter. And this is very important upgrade. I highly suggest you to. And this is the upgrade where you will know how you can make $7,000 per month. This is the special tactic. I suggest you to use this, cause see, this is the overnight traffic. If you want to get traffic to your mobile molla website, then you need this, and this is overnight traffic package, and they will send 5,000 to 10,000 extra visitors, okay, from them, not your, they will provide you that traffic and visitors from their highly targeted buyer traffic sources, so you can make $7,000 in additional monthly profits. Okay, the front end is enough for make you money and profits, but this upgrades is absolutely amazing, because they will provide you the main hardest part, that is traffic. They will provide you 5,000 to 10,000 traffic from their traffic source, and that will make you $7,000 additional monthly profits. And the upgrade 4 is mobile mullah done for you. If you want to get everything ready made done for you by them, by the expertise, so you can take it. They will sit up and fine tune your mobile mullah account so it's ready to make you $300 to $500 per day. You can do this and order this topic. You will see how much money you will make. Okay, and this is the first system. You will get 50 to 100 times more profits using this mobile mullah profits in just 60 minutes. This is called mobile mullah 1 hour profits. This is the upgrade 5. I also highly recommend this because if you want to make $100 in the next 24 hours, then you must utilize this because this is 1 hour profits, this upgrade, and it is very low price, and you will get your mobile mullah profits in just 60 minutes. In the next 1 hour, you will get sales using ClickBank. Okay, and this is the reseller license. That means you are allowing to sell this full mobile mullah funnel and keep 100% commission across the entire funnel. So as I have said, you can make $7,000 per month, and the special tactic that you need this upgrade version because this is made for actually. See, you can make $7,000 in additional monthly profits, and they will send you 5,000 to the $97. You will get $10,000 visitors traffic, and 5,000 to 10,000 traffic you will get. The price is 97 to 67. The discount price is. I highly recommend you if you want to make $7,000 per month residual income, and see, they will pay you $250 if you failed. Okay, so this is risk free. So if you want to make $7,000 per month, try this. I highly recommend you to try this overnight package of mobile mullah. They will send you their traffic source, 10,000 visitors to your site, and this is done for you if you want to get everything by them. And if you want to make $100 plus or $200 plus in the next few hours, then I suggest you to use this upgrade. This is very important. This is named by Mobile Mullah 1 hour profits, and you will get profits in just 60 minutes. So I highly recommend it. These are the upgrades. Okay, and you will also get $4 off discount coupon details. See, when you will on the sales page,
Is it
sales page, just go to the cross cursor button. See, just go to the cross cursor button. This pop-up will appear and you will get $4 discount here. Claim your discount now. So by this way you will get $4 discount. Okay, so don't forget to use this $4 discount. And then my exclusive bonuses, cause you will need traffic in the end when, see, the posted 52 products. Okay, see, 100% complete. Let's go to the posts. See, all the posts have been generated for you automatically. All you just need to send traffic to this, and if you do this, okay, see how many affiliate sales will be generated under your affiliate account. This is absolutely awesome, and if you order this you will get very fast results. Okay, and let's check our website also. See, the website has been generated. See, just one click, ebusiness.mobilemullah.net. See, and all the posts and products are under this affiliate ID. Okay, Okay, so go to my exclusive bonus. I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase through my link, you will get all the exclusive bonuses as an affiliate bonus on your access page, and all of my bonus are especially focused on getting free buyer traffic and visitors, cause when you will create sites like this, you need traffic to make sales. Okay, see, though this is enough for, and the upgrades is enough for making sales, and will provide you lots of sales and traffic, but this bonus will accelerate your results. And this is YouTube Velocity. This is for unlocking set and forget free buyer traffic from Google. This is Meep software. This is Shina software for bringing free buyer traffic for any niche you want. Then this is Zenobia software. This is Cleopatra, my favorite one. And this software will bring free buyer traffic and leads from LinkedIn. And all you know, LinkedIn is business social media, and the leads and traffic are very highly targeted and qualified. So this will automate everything on LinkedIn. This is the software. And this is Golden Stash. This is a domain flipping software. This is TweetX, another software for bringing free traffic from Twitter. This will absolutely amazing. Then affiliate marketing from all social media sites, you will need this. This is the Forget About Broke. This is an incredible unique strategy invented by Johnny Ross that gets newbies consistently sales. Then Nova, a Chrome extension which allows users to follow target audience on TikTok. Then Lazy Traffic Sniper. This is a brand new solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. This is also about traffic. And then this is List Lariat. This is a step-by-step list building solution and course. Then Arial Association. This is a course that will teach you how to leverage free traffic to make affiliate commission, and this is 100% proven method. This is Midas Task. This is a affiliate marketing step-by-step training, and you can generate $100 to $2 per day using this secret method. Then Traffic Underdog, all about the traffic getting strategies, free and paid both. This is 6-figure secret. This is A to Z blueprint for building a successful online business. Traffic booster, affiliate take-up, anyone can do this and expect very fast results with this affiliate take-up system. Then the Super Shakedown, this is also a free traffic getting system. Profit Scope, you can hijack the big affiliates traffic as your own traffic. Then Profit Force, this is also a awesome course. Octagon, Elevate, and there are lots of bonus you will found here. And when you purchase through my link, you will get all of these bonuses as affiliate bonus on your access page. I have put the link in my description below. So these are the bonuses, these are the upgrades. I highly recommend you to use this, and if you want fast results, use this, and this will also give you very fast results. And these are the upgrades, and these are the demo, and see the websites we have generated. So this is all about Mobile Mullah review. And don't forget to use the $4 discount coupon, it will save you $4. So this is actually Mobile Mullah review. I hope this Mobile Mullah review will help you to make your purchase decision, and this is actually amazing. This will actually make you profit and money using this awesome software on mobile, and this is very mobile friendly, and it will actually make you money, and there is no way to fail, and if you fail they will pay you money. Okay, there is no way to fail. So I hope this will make you help you to purchase decision. And if you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notification for every video I upload. And don't forget to take my exclusive bonuses and the discount coupon. So this is for today. See you soon.